Page number 155, ready, start. Decision of arbitrator to be final in certain matters, stop. Where no appeal has been made under section 104, decisions of the arbitrator under clauses within bracket 4 to within bracket 11 and clauses within bracket 14 within bracket 15 within bracket 16 within bracket 18 within bracket 19 and within bracket 20 of subsection within bracket 3 of section 102 shall be final and binding on the parties, stop para. The Tribunal of Appeal shall send a copy of its decision in appeal to the arbitrator, who shall then, where necessary, make variation in the scheme in accordance with such decision and may also rectify such errors or omissions, if any, as may have been brought to his notice after publication of the final scheme, as drawn up by him under clause within bracket 21 of subsection within bracket 3 of section 102, and the arbitrator shall forward such final scheme together with a copy of his decision under section 102 and a copy of the decision of Tribunal of Appeal to the state government for the sanction of the final scheme, full stop, paragraph. Sanction by state government to final scheme, stop. The state government may, within a period of 120 days from the date of receipt of the final scheme under section 112 from the arbitrator, or within such further period as the state government may extend by notification in the official gazette, either sanction the scheme or refuse to give such sanction, stop para. Provided that in sanctioning the scheme the state government may make such modifications as may in its opinion be necessary for the purposes of rectifying an error, irregularity or infirmity, stop para. If the state government sanctions the scheme in terms of subsection within bracket 1, it shall state in the notification, stop para, the place at which a copy of the final scheme is kept open to inspection by the public, and also state therein that copies of the scheme or extract therefrom certified to be correct shall on application be available for sale to the public at a reasonable price, stop para. A date which shall not be earlier than 30 days after the date of publication of the notification on which all the liabilities created by the scheme take effect, and the final scheme shall come into force, full stop, paragraph. Provided that the state government may from time to time postpone such date by notification in the official gazette by such period not exceeding 90 days at a time as it thinks fit, full stop, para, on and after the date fixed in the notification referred to in subsection within bracket 2, the scheme shall have effect as if it were enacted in this act. Stop.